Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to draw Hello Kitty. So get your pens and get your paper and draw along with me. So first we're going to do the bow. And then we're going to do the one side of the bow. And we've done one side, and then we're going to do the lines in the side. And then we're going to do the other side of the bow, which will be attached to this circle, and then put the lines in the middle. So now what we're going to do is do the face. It's going to look round or like an oval shape. Now what we're going to do is the other ear and the whiskers and the eyes. So we've done one side, now we're going to do the other side. So we're going to do the eyes now, which look like oval shapes because they're like our eyes, and the nose, which is not like our nose. We're going to do the body, and now we're going to do the legs too. There's our body. So we're going to do the arms now. And now we're going to do the sleeves on her t-shirt and the lines on her top. And now the top bit of her sleeve, of her top. And now we're going to colour it in. We're going to have a black so we can do her eyes. And her nose is going to be yellow. Very light yellow, so make it a very light yellow for her nose. And now for her top we're going to do a pink. Doesn't need to be light, you can do whatever colour you want. But I'm just going to do the top bit pink and that bit pink. And now I'm going to get a purple and do the same with the inside and her sleeves. And now we've got to get the pink again and do her bow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.